Hi, I'm Dr. Sean Chaudhry, a board-certified chiropractic neurologist, one of only 1,000 in the world. And if you're watching this video today, it's because you're interested in hearing about peripheral neuropathy, alright? Problems with diabetic neuropathy, numbness, tingling, burning in your feet or your hands, alright? Now, this is one of those conditions that you thought that there was no hope for, no answers. But what you'll see is we're going to show you actual videos of people that have had miraculous changes, okay? And we've been able to show over and over that we can make changes with these conditions. Now, what is peripheral neuropathy? Peripheral neuropathy basically means that the nerve that goes down into your feet, the coating of the nerve has come off. So imagine it like this, an electrical wire, alright? If the coating wasn't on the wire, when you went to grab it, you would get shocked, you would get burned, and over a period of time, then obviously those electrical impulses wouldn't work the way they should. And what can happen from that? You can have problems with your balance, alright? You'll be unsteady, alright? But what happens is that you can get burning, you can get numbness, you can get tingling. Now, each one can be caused by a different nerve. Now, when you get burning, that's generally something called a C fiber. It's a small fiber that moves about 5 meters per second. Now, if you get numbness, that can be caused by a 1A fiber. Now, that fiber can move 55 meters per second to your brain. Alright? Now, if that nerve starts to get the coating to come off of what's called demyelination, what can occur is that you can get numbness, you can get balance problems, okay? So, the question is, in your case, why is the coating coming off the nerve? Because we can use laser treatment to put it back on, right? But unless we can keep it from coming back off, you will continue to have the same problems. Now, we know that diabetes can cause it, right? Diabetes can cause swelling within the nerve and then demyelination of the nerve, and you can have problems with that, okay? We also know that there's certain autoimmune diseases that can cause neuropathy, and we found that most of the causes for peripheral neuropathy are autoimmune. It doesn't matter what the autoimmune disease is, we need to try to figure out what it is, and then we need to be able to notch it down so we can get significant results with this condition. Now, generally this is the progression. You start to feel some numbness, tingling, and burning in your toes. Then it works up to your ankle. Then it's going to get probably up into your calf, and then it can start to affect your hands, and then you can start to have basically bulbar complaints, problems with your eyes, problems with your speech, things like that. So we know neuropathy is a very complicated problem, but there's 3 things we need to find out. First of all, do you have a problem with your neck or your back? Alright, do you have a radicular problem that's causing numbness, tingling, burning in your feet? Next thing we got to find out is do you have some kind of problem with your blood chemistry that's causing problems with demyelination, or it's taking the coating off the nerve. So we need to look for inflammation markers within your blood chemistry, and we need to look at your nerves, your spinal cord, make sure all of those kind of things are working the way they should. Now, how do we do that? We may need MRIs, we may need an EMG nerve conduction velocity test, we may need special blood chemistry tests that your other doctors probably haven't done. So if you're suffering with this serious condition, then you need to call me, Dr. Sean Chaudhry, at 337-478-5634, or look at our many testimonials on recoveryphysicalmedicine.com. Call me today before it's too late.